Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. Today's lesson is another song request. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to play the very famous song Hawayein from the movie Jab Harry Met Sejal. So, take out your uke. Now check if your ukulele is in tune. And let's start learning Hawayein. So guys, before you start learning this song, you should know 5 chords, and these 5 chords are chord B minor, chord G, chord D, chord A, and chord E minor. Now to play chord B minor, you need to bar 2nd fret with your index finger like this, and then you have to place your ring finger on 4th fret 4th string, and chord B minor will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string, and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. To play chord A, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 3rd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A will sound like this. To play chord E minor, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 1st string, your middle finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and your ring finger on 4th fret 3rd string, and chord E minor will sound like this. So now let's talk about strumming. In this song, we are using a common strumming pattern throughout the song, and the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Now let me quickly show you how the strumming pattern sounds on chord D. So you hold chord D and you start playing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So guys, I'll be using a capo in this song and placing it on 2nd fret. Here it goes. Now if you do not have a capo, then you can play all these chords normally. So let's quickly start the song. तुझको मैं रख लूँ वहाँ जहाँ पे कहीं मेरा हो यकीन, मैं जो तेरा ना हुआ किसी का नहीं, किसी का नहीं, ले जाए जाने कहाँ हवाएं, हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, हवाएं, हवाएं बेगानी है ये बागी, हवाएं, हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, हवाएं, हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ, न मुझको खबर न मुझको पता। ओ, 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 बनाती है जो तू वो यादें जाने संग मेरे कब तक चले, इन्हीं से तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम भी ढले मौसम ढले, ख्यालों का शहर तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है, हवाएं हक में वो है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले, देती है ये सदाएं हवाएं, हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले आनी है ये बागी, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ, न मुझको खबर न मुझको पता। ओ ओ So guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you must have liked it. Please subscribe to ukeguide in case you want more lessons like this, and do support me on Instagram and Facebook. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.